Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add contact information in Bento in 2026. If you want visitors to easily reach you through your Bento page, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Bento account. Once you're on the dashboard, open the profile or link page where you want to add your contact details. Next, click the Edit Profile, Customize, or Add Block option, depending on the version of Bento you're using. Look for a section that allows you to add text, buttons, or contact links. Now enter the contact information you want to share. You can add your email address, business website, phone number if appropriate, or links to your preferred contact platforms. Next, if Bento supports contact buttons, create a button for your email or website and give it a clear title such as Contact Me, Email Me, or Work With Me. Now arrange the contact section in a visible position on your page so visitors can find it easily without scrolling too much. Before publishing, click Preview and test every contact link or button to make sure it opens the correct destination without any errors. Finally, save your changes and visit your public Bento page to confirm that your contact information is displayed correctly and is easy for visitors to use. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add contact information in Bento step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.